That's no good. There's another one. We'll go down the drain again with that one. I'm not out here to beat anybody's 180 or 190 mile an hour. I'll never see 200, but I'm having an absolute joy today. Joy? Not probably not the best word usage, like, but I'm having an incredible time.
Okay, the idea behind this run, this is just a test run. I had already ran on the left hand side, the centre, which seems to be the optimal one, and also wanted to try run on this lane. Didn't work out.
Right, here we go. Nice leisurely path. Nope. That's not what I wanted on the last pass. Hit a cat's eye, so I am best. Just doing it in the middle. Nope. That's not what I wanted on the last pass. Oh well, that'll be a set of foams ruined after that. Why do you always do one more run? Yeah, something wrong with it. That'll do us. Yeah, it doesn't seem so good. Foams are ruined. Oh, wing's ruined. Wing is ruined. Why didn't you just put it away, Jimmy? Why didn't you just put it away? Oh, it's destroyed. Again. 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 So, we'll redo that. What have we got here damage wise? Foams. Foams are all destroyed. How much movement have we got in anything? Other than that, it's not too bad, I think. Although that wheel there looks like it's maybe turned in a bit more. Don't know. I don't know. Let's see what speed we were doing. Oh. Actually, take the lid off. What a full, what an absolute full. Car was sitting immaculate. Everything's still in it. That's all there. Oh no, my battery's gone. Right. Hopefully it hasn't got run over. I'll take a wee dander down and see if I can find it. Damn it. Motor's roasting. Motor is absolutely roasting. Sorry, let's see what speed we were doing. Stop. Read. 137. Yeah. Idiot. Absolute idiot. But sure, that'll do. There it is. What's the chances it hasn't been run over? It hasn't been run over. I'm very, very lucky. So there it is. Any cars coming? There's a car coming. It has been run over. Yeah. That's no good. There's another one. We'll go down the drain again with that one. Actually, if I had been smart enough there, I'd have taken the Dean's connector off it. What a fool.